Hi, my name is Robin Schultz. I'm starting my second year in the EDD program. I am a speech and language pathologist working in a school system just outside of Cincinnati. Previously, I worked in the elementary school building for 15 years, and this is my first year in the middle school. So it does feel a little bit like a new job to me with new standards and content and bell schedule. So it's a little bit of an adjustment for me. Personally, I have two children at home, Miles and Megan. Miles started his sophomore year today, and Megan started her fifth grade year. Megan has Down syndrome, so she has really led me into this world of disability from a new angle. I've always been in the professional world, but now I also have my foot in the door with the parent world, so I've learned a lot through her, just different angles on the disability community. Something interesting about me is that I love to dance. I try to bring dance to a lot of my students during speech and language therapy sessions and into my home, and it's what I enjoy doing in my free time also. Some things I know or think I might know about qualitative research are that it's more dealing with words than numbers, not quite as much math. I have heard that people are fooled into believing that qualitative research is easier than quantitative research, but that's not necessarily the case. And something about identifying trends in responses to interview questions or on questionnaires and through surveys, and something about identifying trends in maybe the language that's used in responses. So that's all I know really to start with. I look forward to learning more. I do plan to do a mixed method study for my dissertation, so I need to learn a lot in this class. I look forward to working with all of you and viewing all of your videos. Thank you.